Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change a dweller's name in Fallout Shelter. To change the dweller's name in Fallout Shelter, first of all, go ahead and launch the Fallout Shelter app open on your mobile device. And then go ahead and select the vault you want to play in. Locate the dweller whose name you want to change within the vault. Tap on the dweller and their information page will show up on the left hand side. Now, go to the top of the screen and tap on their current name. Enter a new name for the dweller by erasing the current one. After you are done, you can get back and that way you will be able to change your dweller's name in Fallout Shelter. Now you can easily identify your top workers, tribute your friends, or just have a little fun with the Vault roleplay. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.